Dan Willis here, and we're talking about the 5 steps to repair bad credit. Are you suffering the ill effects of having a bad credit score? It can be a very expensive position to be in, having to pay high interest rates, late fees, and not to mention dealing with harassing phone calls from debt collectors, plus experiencing the fear of rejection every time you apply for a new line of credit. However, contrary to popular belief, you don't just have to live with a bad credit score. You can take steps to improve your score and without just waiting 7 to 10 long years. Step number 1, find out what is on your 3 credit reports. You can get a copy of all 3 of your credit reports with each credit bureau by visiting annualcreditreport.com. You are entitled to 1 free copy by federal law per year. Step number 2, identify the negative information. These items are what are causing you to have a bad credit score. You are allowed to dispute and challenge this information. To do this, you must write a dispute letter to each of the 3 credit bureaus. You may have to do one of those online, but you have to file a credit report dispute. With your dispute, you need to include the reason for your dispute, the dates on your dispute, and any other relevant supporting documentation or information. Next, the credit bureaus are required to investigate the item, and if the item cannot be verified with the lender or the collection agency that reported that information, then it must be removed from your credit report. Step number 3 is settle any outstanding debts. The first thing you should do is have these debts validated. This means the collection agency that is contacting you must prove that they legally own your debt. If they cannot prove this, then you do not have to pay the debt, and if you dispute your credit report, it will be an easy item to get removed as it won't be verified. If the debt is validated, then you should negotiate with the collection agency and have them agree to stop reporting your account to the credit bureaus as a condition of your settlement payment. This is a common practice and you must do this, otherwise the debt will continue to stay on your credit report even after you make a payment, and your credit score will still be lowered because you'll have bad credit on there even after you settle the old debt. Additionally, we suggest you start with a settlement offer at roughly 25 to 50% of the amount. For example, if you have a $500 debt, then you could start by offering $125 or even $250. Number 4 is open new lines of revolving credit. This will give you additional items on your credit report that are positive, assuming you use them responsibly. This will help to improve your credit score as it will begin to create a record of positive payment history. This is a very important piece of information when your credit score is calculated, and you may be able to do this with current open lines of credit that you have. Step number 5, pay your current bills on time. This is because by paying your current bills on time, you will start establishing a good positive payment history. While this is being created, your old delinquent debts will be aging, and the older they get, the less influence they have on your credit score. In sum, you don't just have to live with the high cost of bad credit. You can take action today to start fixing your credit and free up hard-earned money from being spent on high interest rates and expensive fees. If you'd like to know some more and grab a free report, the 7 super simple steps to clean credit, please visit the link in the description below. This is Dan Willis. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like this video. Please have a fantastic afternoon, and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.